Hello friends, my name is Sarveshwar and this video I would discuss how to insert list of figures in the beginning of your thesis. Friend, this is a thesis I had downloaded from ProQuest database. So this is the way we have list of table on page number 7 here. So in the beginning of your thesis you want to insert table of figures, table of like list of figures, list of tables. So how to insert that instantly without losing a second? How can you insert that? This is what I show in this video. So friends, for that purpose I have just taken one of my paper. This is my paper in which I would have two figures that I have mentioned. This is the table of figures for two figures. So it's just only example friends. If you have 10 figures, 100 figures, 1000 figures, it doesn't matter. The process we need to understand, that's all. So I'm just deleting it so we can insert it again, or I will just show how to update it instantly. Okay friends, so first of all I need to show how to insert table of figures. So for that purpose what will I do, you have to write this part table of figures and then put enter and just align it properly, and then go to reference tab here, and then insert table of figures. Click here, and then we can see here only one tab that is on and other tabs are off. So we will go to this tab, obviously we are here only, and then this is the preview. On the left side we can see this is the preview how your table would look like. So suppose here we have some settings here, like if you want to show page number or not, if you want to the page numbers right align or not in this way, and what kind of like dots or no dots you want to have. Suppose you don't want any dots, remove them, but generally these are default settings we need. Use hyperlinks or not, but just friends, just let the friends the settings are as they are, actually don't change them. And format, it could be, there are different formats. Generally I keep formal, you can take what you want as per your needs. And here just make sure it's figure. So this is the way friends. So first, all the settings as they are, no change, and ensure the caption label is figure only. Then okay, here it is asking me, do you want to replace, because I already had one list of figures. Yes. So friends, now my list of figure is ready without losing a second. Instant in Jiffy I can do that. The space could be removed. So now friend, this is a simple way, but here I have inserted, but there is something background. So how to make sure? So whenever you insert any figure, just ensure you put its caption, like this is my figure and this is something I have written. So you need to show you insert caption. How? Suppose you go there, here this way, like whenever you insert any graph, any figure, you just need to make sure you right click and insert caption. So it's figure, so you can show here it's a figure. Do you want to put the caption above the selected item or below the selected item? So as generally it is below the selected item, but I have, so whatever you want, above selected item. And if you want to have this figure one tab in it or not, so generally we just let them as it is be. You can change the numbering also, like if you want to include chapter name in your table, like figure 3.1, figure 3.2, or figure, like in every chapter you want to just connect that chapter with the table number as we do in our thesis. So you can use this function friends. I'm not using it because it's a paper, not my thesis, but you can use that function as well. And so everything is over, then insert okay. Now this is the figure 2, it will automatically take the figures. So I don't want to make it 2, so I'm just deleting it. So this is the way friends, we can, every figure you just need to insert caption. Whenever you insert a figure, right click, insert caption. Okay friends, and do the settings you want. So this is the way we just insert caption, and we can insert, and when we insert table of figures, it would automatically take those all captions and make your table. This is one thing. Now second thing, suppose you insert another figure, and how to update that. Suppose this is my I want to insert one figure here. So the benefit of this feature is that suppose this is my, so I take any figure, I'm just taking for example, copy and paste it here. And how to do the caption? Simply click on it, right, then right click and then insert caption. Anything XYZ I'm writing here, so not XYZ, thesis on OK. Okay friends, it's figure 1 now. So ideally everything should change. So what can I do? Home, and then here right click, update field, entire table. Okay, so now it has changed. So this is the way friends we can update, insert, create anything. You, it's very easy and it can save a lot of time. Here it was only 3 figures, but suppose you have 10 figures, 20 figures, it would be very helpful. In next videos I would show how to use cross-reference for inserting these tables in your text. When you cite like refer table 2, refer table 3, and you have hundreds of tables, then you need to use cross-reference so that you don't need to change every time in text citation of the tables. It would be very useful for your thesis when you have so many tables and figures in your thesis. If you like my video friends, subscribe it, like it. Thank you friends, keep watching.